Okay, welcome to part 2. This is Mrs. Ross. We are trying to find the lower quartile here and the upper quartile here. We found the median in the last video. So let me change colors so we don't get confused. So what we have in the lower quartile, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, or 16. So we're going to have 16 in the lower quartile, and I'm going to divide that by 2 and get 8. So much like I had to average the 2 in the middle for the median, I'm going to have to average the 2 for the first quartile. So we're going to start here. We're going to, well, actually, let's start up here. We'll start here. We'll count up 8, and then we'll go back here. We'll count down 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 8, and I take the next one. Let me erase my, no, I'm not going to erase my median. So, and then from here, oh wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I think I start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and it's going to be this one. So we have for the lower, we have 30 plus 32 over 2 because we're taking the average and we get 31. So that's my lower, it's 31. Let me change colors again. Let's do orange. We're going to do the same with the top. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and it's the next one. And from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and it's the next one. So I have 47 and 48. So 47 plus 48 over 2 is 47.5. That's going to go here. Great. Now we have the mode. So let me get yet another color. Mode is most, the number that's the most. So I have 2 26s. I have 2 29s. I have 4 38s. I bet that's it. I don't think I have 4 of any other number. So this is going to be 38. It's the number we have the most of. And then it asks for the upper and lower extremes. I'm thinking it just means the lowest number, which is 15, and the highest number, which is 58. So now we have everything we need to make a box and whisker plot. So let's go to the next slide. Oh, the range. My bad. Let me go back. So the range is these two, 58 minus 15, the highest minus the lowest. So this is going to be 58 minus 15. I'm going to let you figure that out on your calculator. Let's see. So we have the range here. And then it talks about the interquartile range. So this is the difference between the upper, or third, and lower, or first. So let's go back and grab those two numbers from the last. So the lower one is 31, the upper one's 47.5. So this is going to be 47.5 minus 31. And you can do that on your calculator. Let's create a box and whisker plot for this. So what is the median? Let's go back. The median is 39. Let's put a dot there. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 32, 34, 36, 38. That's 40. So 39 is going to be about right. Well, wait, do I do this on the... Yeah, we'll just put it here, I guess. Okay, so that's the median. I'm just going to put a little dotted line. Median, 39. Okay, and then I know that my upper quartile is 47.5. We could say 48. That's fine. So 40, 42, 44, 46, 48. So I'm going to put that there. That's my upper quartile. My lower one's 31. So this is 30 and this is 32. So that's going to be here. So I have my box. Okay, there have been prettier boxes in the world. But that's my box. And then I know that 58, so this is 2, 4, 6, 8. That's 58. That's one of my whiskers. And then 15 is down here. So 10, 12, 14, 16. So it's going to be right there. And there's your box and whisker plot. Good job. Let me change colors. And outlier is the number in the set that's distant from the others. Are there any outliers? It looks like 15 might be an outlier. It looks like 15 is further from the box than 58. So I would put 15 there and continue. And then we have the very same thing. Well, not very same thing, but we have data that is in order. So you're going to put this data in your stem and leaf, and then you're going to find your median, first and third quartile, so you can make your box and whisker plot here. Okay, so remember, let's see, how many do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 18. So if we have 18 total, to find the median, I have to divide by 2, and I get 9. So I'm going to start here and count this direction 9. Let me undo that. Let's see, and let me erase what I have. You're going to have to average the two numbers in the middle. So, well, let's start at the bottom and go up 9, then we'll start at the top, go down 9. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I go to the next number and circle it. If I start at the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I go to the next number and circle it. So my median is going to be 22 plus 23 divided by 2. So get your median figured out. Write that here. Then my first quartile, what I have to do is I have to divide, so quartile, man, that doesn't even look like English, it's so bad. Okay. And I get 4.5. So this tells me, let me pick a different color, that I have to start here at my median and go, well, let's start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's the next one. And if I start here, 1, 2, 3, 4, or should I start? Yeah, it should be this one and this one. So that should give you your first quartile. And then your third, you'll start at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, they made it easy for you. Okay. And that'll be the third. Third quartile, first quartile. And then when you come down here, you'll do exactly what we did here. And if you need to go back and watch that again, I think you have enough information to finish. I think that's it. Yep. Let me know if you have any questions.